In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slow down your footage while maintaining that nice and smooth looking slow motion. It's important to keep in mind that for the best looking results, you'll want to ensure that you're filming your footage in 30 frames per second or higher. In this example, I have a clip that was shot in 60 frames per second that's already on the timeline. You can confirm the frame rate of any given clip in the projects panel. For our example clip, it says 59.94 FPS, aka 60 frames per second. To slow down this clip, right or double click on it, then click speed/duration. Another way to open this menu is to make sure the clip is highlighted, then click Command+R or Control+R on PC. Now, since this clip was shot on 60 FPS, the slowest we can go while maintaining smooth motion is 40%. That's because 40% of 60 is 24, and 24 frames per second is the lowest FPS you can choose where the clip will still play back with smooth motion on its own. On the screen now is how slow each of the following frame rates can go before the footage becomes choppy. And the higher the frames per second, the slower you can make your footage. Now back in Premiere Pro, once you have a speed selected, in my case I want it played back at 50% speed, you can simply click OK. You'll see that the length of the clip increased because it is now playing back at half the speed. And that's how you slow down your footage while maintaining that smooth motion. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. For a more in-depth review on frame rates and frames per second and how the different options affect your video footage, continue on to this video on the screen now. I'll see you there.